All right, good day, everyone. My name is Oke, the moralist. I'm from Ibutapu. Today, I want to introduce to you mathematics for non-mathematicians. Mathematics for non-mathematicians. And how do I mean? I'm trying to tell you that people that don't understand mathematics at all, you follow this channel on YouTube as a display on the screen, and also on Facebook as also display on the screen. You should be able to understand what mathematics is all about. However, I'm going to target as mathematics made easy. 1, mathematics made easy. 2, by the time we get to 10, you should be able to understand. All right, without wasting much of our time, let's start immediately. And what am I going to introduce to you today? It is basic arithmetic. Basic arithmetic. When they say basic arithmetic, what does it refer to? That is simple operations in mathematics. Simple operations using plus, minus, times, and division. And that is I think that is where mathematics begins from. So the first thing that you are going to know as a non-mathematics student, the first thing first is for you to know that minus times minus is equal to plus. And also for you to know that the same minus times plus is equal to minus. Then this plus again times minus is still minus. The plus times plus is equal to plus. As it is here, so it is in division. Minus divided by minus equal to plus. Minus divided by plus equal to minus. Plus divided by minus equal to minus. And plus divided by plus equal to plus. Once you note this one, which is one of the most important things as a mathematics student, you should be able to cram this, put this thing in your head. Now, having known this, now let's go and put this thing into operation. And what is that of operation do we need to put it into? Now take a look at number 1 here. By the time I say minus times minus is plus, we have minus 2 times minus 2. Minus 2 times, okay, let me do minus 3 or minus 4. Minus 2 times minus 4. That is where we have minus times minus to give you plus, 2 times 4 to give you 8. The same way we have minus 2 times plus 4. We should be able to have minus times plus to give you minus, 2 times 4 to give you 8. In this operation, how do I mean? What I mean is, by the time you have 2 and 4 together, multiplying each other, just like we say 2 times 4 is 8. But by the time you have minus at the back of it, you should be able to know that this one we are talking of, you have to multiply the signs first. The signs, and signs are very powerful in mathematics. So let's go and take a look at another one here. Plus 2 times minus 4. It's still minus 8 because plus will multiply minus as minus and 2 will multiply 4 as 8. Then by the time you have plus 2 times plus 4 is equal to what? Plus 2 times plus 4 will now give you plus 8. Taking a look at what we have here, these are the way these things are operated. Now, let's see this. Assuming somebody now says minus 2 times minus 4 times minus 3. Okay, let me say times minus 2. What does it? How are you going to get it? The first thing to do is to use this operation to multiply each other. Minus times minus is plus. Plus times minus will not be minus. It will not be 2 times 4, 8. 8 times 2, 16. Now, if I now interchange this one and say plus 2 times plus 4 times minus 2, what is it going to give us? What is plus times plus? So this place is plus. Then the plus that you get multiplied by this minus is still what? Minus 16. So this is what you need to get. That it is the multiplication that are going to multiply first. However, in this place or in this episode, what I mean by what is here, precisely what I mean by what is here, it is you as a non-mathematician to put this thing in your head. By the time you have this thing in your head, you have no issue with basic operation, at least to work with it at first. So let me take another example here. All right, as we continue again. Now, Having noticed or having known that we have what we call minus 2 times plus 4, minus 3 times plus 5, minus 5 times plus this, and also you can also multiply three things together by saying minus 2 times minus 3 times plus 4, you can say times minus 1. It's just for you to look at it at first and say minus times minus is plus. Plus times plus is still plus. Then plus times minus is minus. You now say 2 times 3 to give you 6. 6 times 4 to give you 24. 24 times 1 to give 24. That's minus 24. Now, having known that, we now migrate to signs in numbers. Signs in numbers. Now, what do we call signs in numbers? It's just like when you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Every number you see here to infinity, any number you see here, they carry plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6, plus 7, plus 8, plus 9, plus 10. Because by the time plus is at the back of something, it appears that the plus sign, the way it is, it will not show. It will show. It will just be like that. It will be like, it's just like somebody that spirit is after you, that you cannot see the spirit. You just continue to hear the leg, or not even hearing the leg, but you just notice that something is just after you. But you take the spiritual one to notify that, just like it takes a spiritually cleansed person in eye, mathematically, to know that plus is at the back of every number. So plus is at the back of every number. Minus will not, you will not see minus. If minus is not there, minus will not appear. Minus will not appear if minus is not there. It's just like when you have minus 2. It's because that minus is there, that is why the minus is shown. But then you have plus 3, there is no minus in this thing. So you shouldn't put minus there when there is no minus. That is that. But now let's take a look at what we have something of this nature. Plus 3, plus 2, minus 1, plus 5. You know, this one we have, how many numbers do we have? We have 4. 4 numbers. It shows that this 3 is plus 3, is carrying plus itself. This 2 is plus 2. This minus 1 is minus 1 on its own. Then we have plus 5. We can continue to arrange this one in any way we like it. But one thing is important to note. And what is important to note is for you to carry the minus sign, the plus sign, wherever you carry the number. And that is one of the most important things as far as mathematics is concerned in basic arithmetic. It's just like when I say plus 5, plus 2, plus 3, minus 1. I have not changed anything. And I can still as well say here that plus 2, minus 1, plus 3, plus 5. You can see their signs. Continue to follow them. Just like the Bible said, that for they that know God, these signs will continue to follow them up and down. So the same way, the signs continue to follow them. So however, this is our first episode, Mathematics Made Easy World, Basic Arithmetic. So please do not forget to go into the YouTube channel as displayed on the screen. Also the Facebook as displayed on the screen. I want to thank you for coming. God bless.